Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight to all my friends dyan, near and far. Ito po si Marilyn, your friendly Filipino carpentera here in America. Ito guys, sorry, hindi ko na videotapan itong ginagawa ko. Yan, ito po yung little duck park ko na ginawa ko kanina. Woot woot woo! I think I like it. Gusto ni Corey mas maraming trees dyan sa likod. Kaya lang wala na akong trees. Ang mahal-mahal kaya. So ito na lang yung nagawa ko. Gagawa ako katulad nito next time tapos i-video ko. Here comes the rain again, falling on my head like a memory, falling on my head like a new emotion. Grabing ulan dito guys. Oh. Tapos hindi ako makabalik doon sa aming construction. Kasi ang ulan-ulan tapos ang putik-putik tapos wala akong ganang bumalik doon. So baby, talk to me like lovers do. Walk with me like lovers do.
Would you wait now?
Yeah. Bye-bye car. Oh no. Yan, nabenta na namin yung sakyanan namin na hindi na gumagana. My gosh, only 15,000. Samantalang binili namin yan ng napakamahal, but it's okay. How long did we have this car, Borg?
2016.
9 years, not too bad.
9 years.
Ang hirap pala mag-haul ng car.
Kailangan namin ng isa na namang car. Ito po yung house namin ngayon na tinitirahan namin ngayon. And then, hopefully, God willing, before the year ends, ay maka-transfer na kami dun sa kabila. If not this year, early next year, hopefully, God willing. But bye-bye car, mamimiss ka namin car. Ba't ganun yung pakiramdam ko na every time na we lose a car, like nasasad talaga ako. I don't know, I think I just sentimental. The reason, kasi ayaw na niyang gumana, tapos parang kung ipaayos pa namin, mas mahal pa yung yung gastos kaysa bumili ng bago. And this car has served its purpose, so time for it to bid goodbye to us. Ooh, cheese. Pero mamimiss ko talaga. I don't know, probably like because I built a relationship with my car. Syempre, ikaw nagda-drive for how many years? Tapos, after a while, yun, isusurrender mo na sa iba. Yun, napakasakit, Kuya Eddie. That is so cool. Bye-bye, car. Oh, ang sad ko talaga. Tingnan yung mga leaves, nag-orange na. And maginaw na dito. Bye-bye, car. Bye-bye. Oh, I will miss you, car.
Hi guys, good morning again, afternoon, evening, midnight to all my friends near and far. Ito po si Marilyn, your friendly Filipina carpentera here in America. At nandito tayo ngayon sa aming bagong bahay. Hindi pa tapos kasi, so hindi pa bahay. But anyway, as you can see, yay! Tapos na ang aming window doon sa aming kitchen. Tapos, on na yung aming pendant lights. And as you can see, dami ng mga progresses dito sa aming bahay. But of course, it's not yet fully done, but it's getting there. It's getting there. Guys, wala pa akong tulog. Ang time check is probably noontime here in America already. Siyempre, as usual, nocturnal ako Wala akong tulog sa gabi. Tapos, kailangan kong pumunta dito early sa bahay. May contractor na pupunta dito. The one that would do our driveway. So, titingnan namin kung magkano yung magagasta namin doon sa pag-aspalto ng aming driveway. But for now, I'm going to draw yung plan namin kung ano ang dapat gagawin, ano ang forma ng aming driveway at magkano. Titingnan namin kung kaya ba naming pa-install ng asphalt all the way through or kung pwede half lang yan muna yung ipagawa namin. Tapos in the long run, step by step, i-finish namin pag may pera na again.
Alright, ready na ang ating drawing. So, plan A, ito po yung itsura ng ating driveway sa kabuuan. So, mayroong car pad dito, dito yung daan natin, tapos car pad, tapos yung wrap around ng ating driveway, tapos papunta doon sa carport. So, gusto ko malaman kung magkano yung entire cost ng ganito na trabaho. Kasi, pag mag-install ka ng asphalt, eh maraming preparation ang gagawin. Kailangan mong mag-dig dito ng 8 to 10 inches deep, tapos i-harden mo. Tapos after that, buhusan mo ng isang klaseng mga bato. Tapos i-harden mo naman, i-compact mo. Kawawa naman tong kamay ko. Tapos after that, another kind of bato na naman, tapos i-compact mo na naman before finally ka maka-install ng mga asphalt. So dito sa lower right side, yung plan A, gusto kong malaman kung magkano yung trabaho galing sa pag-dig until the very end, pag-install ng asphalt, magkano. At gusto ko rin malaman kung kami na yung mag-prepare doon, tapos sila na lang yung mag-install ng asphalt kung magkano. So ito yung pinakamahal. Then second is, ito yung second na mahal kasi car pad dito. Tapos, yung asphalt natin ay pupunta lang doon sa ating carport, yung sa bakilid ba doon. So, same question. Price pag silang gagawa lahat from digging to installing yung mga 2 different kinds of stone until asphalt. At gusto ko rin malaman kung kami nang gagawa ng lahat, kayo na lang yung mag-asphalt o magkano. And so that. And the third is the cheapest. And hopefully maka-afford kami nito. Ito yung car pad. Tapos ito yung driveway. Instead na papunta all the way around at tapos going to the carport, hanggang dito lang. Tapos malaking space lang dito para maka-U-turn kami. Ganon. Tapos yung papunta dito, tataniman ko na lang ng tulips or whatever. So yun, same process. Alamin kung magkano yung sila lahat or yung asfalto lang. So hopefully, fingers crossed na makakuha kami ng mabuting magaling na deal. Otherwise, this is it. Pusit.
Huh? Around 5? What if I will get hungry?
I don't know what to tell you.
Mean.
We got your drink there. Brought your drink. Have the whole drink.
Okay, I love you.
Let me tell you, I'll talk to that.
Drive safe, please.
Well, I'm locking it, okay?
Okay. Bye!
So, not knowing the measurements or anything, I mean,
Yeah.
I would say to probably excavate down, put the aggregate base in, and then do the base and the surface asphalt. You're probably going to be looking around 20 grand or so.
Wow.
Maybe a little bit more. I don't know
Oh my gosh.
exactly, but
What if we will do the prepping ourselves and then you guys just,
just put the asphalt in.
Mhm.
Yeah, that probably save you some money for sure. If you
Yeah.
want to give me the square footage, I can at least get you a budgetary price.
So this is, sorry. That's my, like, plan A, that's crash because that's very expensive. And then plan B is from there. And then going to the carport there. So you will not include that area there. So I want to know how much is that just for pouring the asphalt. And then plan C is from there just up to here without going to the carport.
Okay.
Just asphalt.
Okay. Gotcha.
I put here price for the entire work, but no, we will just do the other
Okay, I'll
stuff.
take a picture of this.
Okay.
And do you have a measurement? I think you told me what it was.
Yeah, 12 by, I don't know how much is up to there.
Okay.
Do you like to measure it yourself?
I can, yeah, that's fine.
Okay. And you will give me a good discount, right?
I'll try my best. Yeah, I'll try my best. Yeah, this is a tricky one. I mean, honestly, if I were you guys with the being on a hill like this, I'd honestly recommend doing concrete. You can control it a lot better. But I mean, it's totally what you guys want.
Yeah.
Right now, today's day, concrete and asphalt, they're pretty much the same price.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, it's really not cheaper unless it's just like an overlay for an asphalt job. If you can just go in and overlay it, it's obviously gonna be cheaper. But since this is a new install, honestly, I think you're gonna be surprised with how close the price of concrete and asphalt is gonna be.
Okay. But you will give me 50% off, right?
Nah, I don't have a 50% off. I'll try my best to
I'll
do.
cook you Filipino food. Give me 75%
Yeah.
off. Joke. Yeah. So you have my email, right?
I do. Yep. Here's that for you. That's my
Okay.
info.
All right.
So I'll get to work
Yeah.
on it.
So definitely, at first I wanted to have like the estimate for the entire work from digging to everything, but now
I'll
Let's
go
put-
ahead and just give it to you just so you have it.
And also just
and
the
then
asphalt.
Just the asphalt, yeah.
All right,
That
awesome.
works.
All right, Mister. Your
Perfect.
name is
Tyler.
Tyler.
Yep.
All right, Mr. Tyler. Thank
All
you
right.
so much.
Thank you.
Welcome. You drive safe.
I will.
Bye.
Bye.
Ay, akala ko nasa mga 10,000 lang yung installation ng asphalt. Sabi niya 20,000 or more. Oh my goodness, parang hindi ako makahinga.